Hello everyone, welcome to the sale of our PS2. It's got the hard drive with a few games there installed. I'll quickly show you how this basically operates, and you can then see how it's basically works. So it just starts up and then it goes straight into the hard drive where you can keep or store all of your games. For instance, we've got 29 games that we don't really want the kids to scratch and stuff like that, so we just put them all into the hard drive, into the PS2, and that way you can load all of the games directly from the PlayStation without the need of swapping discs or anything like that. Like I said, you have to own the games though, so just have that in mind, because it will be illegal to just copy games that you don't own. Even though you can do so, still illegal. So you just basically come to the menu, same thing like on the PlayStation 3, I suppose, and just choose really the game that you want to play. Go there, press X, and that's it. It basically loads from the hard drive. As you can see, no need for swapping discs or putting discs, and you get all of your games in pretty good nick, especially if you have the snotty odd kid in the house um, that keeps on messing around with all of your stuff. So PlayStation 2 with, I think it's 160 gig or 100 gigs of hard drive, and that's basically it. You just load the games directly from the PlayStation and play them. So any questions, just ask. Happy biddings. Don't forget to check other items on sale. I'm not sure what I'll be putting this down for. I think a realistic will be 160 quid. Having in mind you got the hard drive, you got the network connector on the back, you got the stand, and pretty much you'll be able to store games in there, which is a plus. So any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to check other items on sale. We've got 29 PS2 games. We got Nintendo Wii's as well with Wii Key 2 fitted on it. Loads of stuff. You want to come by, whoever wants to come by, have a look and see how this works, just give us a call as well. We'll be happy to arrange that. Okay, happy biddings. Any questions, feel free to ask.